In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to a specific section or item on a Miro board. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or just looking to streamline your own workflows, knowing how to create links to specific parts of your Miro board can be an incredibly useful skill. Let's get started on this simple process. First, open Miro and navigate to the board section. This is your central hub where all your boards are conveniently accessible. Once you're in there, you'll want to select the specific board that you're working with. This might be a board you frequently collaborate on or a new project you're just kicking off. By clicking on your board, you'll be transported right into your workspace where all your ideas and diagrams reside, ready for you to link to specific items within it. Now, let's focus on the specific image or item on the board that you want to share. This could be a pivotal piece of content or a section of your brainstorming that you're eager to highlight. Make sure to click on it, or if it's text or a broader section, highlight the area. This step lets Miro know exactly what you're targeting so that you can share that pinpoint of information with precision. With your selected image or text highlighted, look for the three dots. For newcomers, the three dots symbolize more options, and clicking on them opens up a menu with additional actions you can take. From the menu, you'll find the option to copy the link. By clicking this, you effectively create a direct path to the selected content. This link is now your access point, enabling you to share just that piece of your board without the need for someone to navigate through the entire thing. After copying the link, you're ready to share it with others. This is fantastic for sending to a colleague who might need to review a section, or simply for keeping a custom bookmark for yourself. The link you've created is something you can email, message, or post wherever your audience communicates. To demonstrate, let's visit a new browser tab. Simply paste that link into the address bar and hit enter. What you'll notice is that this link takes you directly to the exact section or item on the board that you wanted to highlight. No need to sift through layers of content or directions. Anyone you share this link with will see exactly what you intended. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can align your communications more effectively and enhance your collaborative efforts, making sure that everyone is on the same page with ease. I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy sharing.